loud. I can't even read my book.
Maybe it was not a good idea sharing a room with him. I think it is better if we get separate rooms.
Welcome to Crystal Hotel. Today we have 2 new guests and their room is ready.
Hi, how are you? We're ready to get our bedroom.
Hi, welcome. Your room is ready. On the 2nd floor we have this open one, and on the 3rd floor we have 2 open ones that you can choose one from.
I was wondering if me and my sister can be in the same bedroom.
Okay, let me see what I can do for you. Okay, I found something. Sorry.
What happened? What happened?
Sorry to bother you, but can I maybe change your bedroom into 2 separate bedrooms? Because I have a family that wants to stay together in one bedroom.
Yes, of course I will change my bedroom. Okay, I don't mind. We can change your bedroom.
Okay, perfect. You can choose another bedroom.
Oh, this room is perfect. Now I can sleep. Oh, this is better. Now I can read my book in silence. Oh no! How can I still hear him snore?
Okay, I made the arrangements. Now we can just wait because they're cleaning the room. Your room is ready. Now you can go.
Oh, the room smells so nice and it's so clean. Now I can rest a little bit.